Understanding the phrase, gangway. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, gangway. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, understanding these unique phrases can really help improve your fluency and make you sound more like a native speaker. So, stay tuned as we uncover the layers of this interesting expression. The term, gangway, is an interjection that is primarily used to ask people to make way or clear a path, especially in crowded or cramped spaces. It is equivalent to saying, move aside, or make way, in English. This phrase has its origins in naval terminology, where it referred to a passageway on a ship. However, its use has extended beyond maritime contexts, and it is now commonly used in various situations. You can use gangway in situations where you need to get through a crowd or when you are carrying something heavy or large and need people to move out of the way. It's important to note that while this phrase is effective in getting attention and clearing a path, it can come across as imperative and urgent, so it's best used in situations that truly warrant it. Here's an example to help you understand better. Imagine you are at a concert, and you need to get to the exit quickly. The crowd is dense, and people are not paying attention. In this scenario, you can raise your voice and say, gangway. Please, I need to get through. This will signal to the people around you that you need immediate passage. When using the phrase, gangway, your tone of voice and body language play a crucial role. Since the phrase is commanding, ensuring that your voice is loud and clear is important, but try not to sound aggressive. Combine it with assertive yet polite body language to effectively communicate the urgency without being rude. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, gangway. We hope you now feel more confident using this expression in the appropriate contexts. Remember, understanding and using these unique phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.